everyone, welcome to Shopee Beauty, where we share with you all the beauty tips and tricks so you can slay all day. I'm Adina, and for this episode, I will show you how to achieve this soft glam Raya makeup look suitable for your Raya. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, keep watching. Jom, let's get to it. So let's get on to the process. I just want to mention that I've prepped and primed my skin. Today, for my base, I'm going to use the Cyber Colors Rosy Glow CC Cushion with SPF 50. Like, it's very good for foundation to have an SPF for extra protection. Gitu. So this is the texture. Dia macam ada like different textures to it because it's a CC cream, so it's color correcting. So color correcting is gonna like maybe even out some of the pigmentation you tengok on my skin right now. I have some redness, I have some darkness, so it's gonna even out those colors or discoloration. Sebab bila you guna cushion puffs, actually it's very easy to blend. You just need to use a tapping motion like this and see it blends so nicely. Okay, I think we're done for both sides. Okay, so far I'm liking the coverage and I'm also liking the texture sebab I rasa dia sangat ringan. I really like it and dia nampak muka I nampak glowy macam tu. I suka. So up next, we are going to use a concealer. Yang ini Maybelline FitMe Concealer. I'm using the shade 10 Light, okay? Okay, macam ni je, sikit je. I'm gonna same for this one. Just a tiny one like this. Just take your finger. I go to middle finger je yang ni. Okay, and then I'm just going to slowly and gently, very gently, you dab and just bring it macam ni. Okay? So we're going to do loose powder now because it's Malaysia, it's hot and humid. So with me, I will be using today PINKFLASH Lasting Matte Loose Powder. This one is in translucent, and then there's another one, also a PINKFLASH Lasting Matte Loose Powder. This one has a little bit of pigment. Dia macam ada colour sikit yang ni. I tunjuk kat belakang. Okay, so yang ni translucent, yang ni ada colour. So for today, I'll be using this one sebab I just want to add a little bit more coverage dekat I punya foundation or base overall. I will start with like my nose, macam ni, and then all over my cheek. So I think I'm quite satisfied with the base and we are ready to move on to the next step. Okay, we got our base done, meaning all the cream and all the powders, I've done it. Dah nampak macam on sikit. Tadi nampak macam tak on, sekarang dah nampak on sikit. Kita nak lagi on. So we're gonna go for our eye makeup. For today, I'm going to use this Flortte Eyeshadow Palette in the shade 03. Okay, as you can see, design dia comel gila and I love cute things. So let's see the colours. Ta-da! Nampak tak the colours? I love the colours so much because it's very earthy tone. It's like very natural tone yang you boleh pakai every day. So you get like colours for everyday and also for glam sebab ada dua glitters. I think actually ada macam dua very intense glitter and then macam ada dua shade yang macam ada glitter tapi dia macam tak intense sangat. Maybe this one is for daily look. So before we go into the fun part of creating our eye makeup, there's another fun part that I want to bring you through, which is swatching this eyeshadow palette. Okay? Okay, I think the colour payoff is quite nice lah. I think the pigment is okay. Because I start with a cool tone punya base, I'm gonna go like kind of cool tone all the way through. Tak apa. Kalau korang suka warm colour pun, boleh je start with a warmer transition shade. Macam yang tengah ni, macam yang bawah ni dia warm sikit. Tapi I start dengan yang ni. So I'm gonna go cool tone all the way through. You're gonna just like pack that colour dekat hujung mata you dekat sini. So kenapa? With small eyelid macam I, bila you place a concentrated or more intense colour dekat hujung, it will actually gives a little bit more attention, a little bit more dimension to your whole eye, macam tu. So just start here, bagi dia intense dekat sini. I just want to mention that this palette, dia punya colour payoff, dia tak pigmented sangat. Tapi I still suka because you can keep going back, take the colour and just keep building the pigmentation sampai you nak. I was thinking of which glitter to use actually, but from my swatch just now, I think yang ni paling glam, paling top lah. Paling like, kalau sebatu pun dah nampak mata Adina ke tu, macam tu. So I'm just gonna take this and with glitters, you work with your fingers. Sebab your fingers, dia pick up glitter tu lagi cantik, lagi cun dan lagi intense. Oh my god, you guys, will you look at that? So usually for glitters, orang letak dekat lid je. Tapi untuk orang mata kecil macam I usually akan tarik sikit naik the crease. Tapi sikit je, okay? Macam tarik macam ni. naik crease tu sikit. So bila I buka mata, tak adalah glitter tu nampak terbazir sangat. Orang still nampak I punya glitter. So I'm gonna finish the other eye and I'll meet you back right here in a bit. Tunggu Okay, so I dah buat right and left eye. Dua-dua I dah buat. Cuma I just nak tambah a little bit of finishing touch to bring out the glam even more. Okay, I ambil yang tengah ni sikit. So I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna start like dekat tengah juga. Okay, so you can see like memang all the glitters are like just surrounding your eyes and just give it more dimension. Barulah memang betul-betul like glamour punya look. Okay, because of the glitter, I lupa nak buat eyebrow. Tak apa, kita buat sekarang. Okay, so I can guna this one. This is the Cyber Colors Auto Eyebrow Pen. Slowly comb it macam ni, kemaskan dia. And then just give it a little bit of shape. So when you do this, you're actually creating a guide for you to draw a little bit of frame to your eyebrow. Do the same thing here. Just sikat sikit, bagi dia frame, bagi guide dekat you mana you nak lukis, mana you nak shapekan. Macam tu. Okay, and then you want to add a little bit of like stroking motions upwards to imitate your eyebrow punya hair growth. Sikit je. Ini just untuk fill in kat mana yang botak sikit. Okay, so now compare yang this one dengan this one. Yang ni dah nampak dia punya shape sikit. I just need to clean up a bit with the concealer, which I will do that later. And I'm gonna just complete this side, and then we're gonna conceal to define the shape a little bit more in a moment. Okay? Okay, so I'm done with this side as well. Ada shape sikit, cuma kita nak bagi shape tu lagi define. Okay, tadi distant cousin ni dah nampak macam sisters, nampak adik-beradik sikit. So dah nampak lah macam balance sikit. Yang penting kita nampak still glam. Okay, I dah baca bismillah, I dah baca semua doa pagi tadi, so that my eyeliner hari ni on fleek. So we're gonna use this Maybelline Tattoo Liner 48 Hours Liquid Pen. Wow, just slowly carve macam ni. Macam ni, nampak tak? I dah carve out sikit. So I tahu this is where I want my wing to end. I want my wing to be like small, subtle, noticeable. Principle dia. Small, subtle, noticeable. I'm quite satisfied. Thank God. Syukur kepada Tuhan. Eyeliner I belah ni menjadi. So, kita akan buat belah ni pula. Okay? Alright. So, both liners are done. Thank God my eyeliner is on fleek today. I think on fleek lah. Boleh lah. So, for mascara, I'm going to use this Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. So, we're going to do the same thing with mascara. Okay, so we're going to start with the hujung-hujung punya lashes dulu. Okay, baru kita slowly apply ke depan. Drama you. I punya lashes sekarang cantik because it separates the lashes nicely. Because you know how some mascara, right? The one pick up so much product, clumps your lashes together. But this one, the one picks up just enough product for you to highlight or like apply on your lashes. Bagi dia nampak highlighted sikit, nampak define. But it separates your lashes very very well. It still looks natural lah kan bila you jumpa orang. Tapi tengoklah, 2 coats pun my lashes are very well separated. I love it so much. We're gonna finish this whole look. Okay, so we're gonna add blush, lipstick, and also my favorite part, highlighter. So for blusher, actually I added 2 shade, both from Cyber Colors. So we have one in orange coral. Yang ni dia advance sikit cara nak buka. Dia bukan macam typical buka macam tu. Dia macam like, okay, you macam ni, klik tu, gitu cara dia. This is orange coral. I have another one as well in pink color. Yang ni pink sapphire. They comes in 2 colors. I ada ni pink sapphire, yang ni, dengan lagi satu orange coral. So both are very very nice color. And kalau you macam tengok, actually kan, dia macam gradient kind of blush. You nampak gradient dia daripada paling cerah paling macam intense color ni, dia akan bagi macam like a gradient, very subtle but a gradient effect to your blush look. Lepas ni I tunjuk macam mana, okay? And it also has like a glitter pigment macam ni. Close up a bit, dia nampak macam ada a little glitter which serves as maybe like a natural highlight already lah. So I think kan, kalau you pakai blusher ni, if you don't want to use highlight, it's okay. But I like to be extra. I like my cheekbone to be snatched. So I nak pakai highlight lepas ni, okay? I'm gonna place this brush or the blush dekat I punya where my eyebrow end, where my eye ends. That's actually like the high point of your cheekbone, macam tu. So I'm gonna plush it here. Okay, I'm gonna start here. And I'm gonna keep patting and just slowly with patting motion blend it outwards. ke atas. Okay, why I do this is actually right. It's gonna help me to give the illusion of my cheekbone lifted sikit. So just build the intensity. Keep dipping it if you want. Pigment dia ada. It's still, I would say, quite pigmented. But it's blendable and it's buildable. So tak adalah nampak macam very macam terang or intense your blush. Okay, so you can just do it this way. Okay. So this is how I like my blush intensity to be at. So now, my favorite step, highlight. Okay, now we're on to the second final step. Bukan final lagi second final step, which is my favorite, highlighting. So today I have this Gogotales Light Sense Phantom Highlighting Powder. So this is in the shade or code 803. Okay. Oh my god, this is like one of the prettiest highlight. So you tengok the detail. It even like the brand kan, this Gogotales brand even carved out the shape of the highlighter into like this very detailed daun punya shape. So this is how it looks like on my finger. Nampak tak reflex je tu? Yang ni I rasa memang just the nice highlight that you can give to your overall face. Macam tu, okay? Nampak muncul sikit gitu. Munculkan dirimu gitu. I'm gonna dip it into this highlight. Sayang betul because it's so pretty. So I'm gonna go with this brush and I'm gonna gently, just like lightly swipe it macam ni. Tengok I baru macam gently swipe kan, dia punya shimmer tu dah show up dah. Sikit je, and then also sini sikit. Okay. Kan nampak tak, dia very subtle, dia cantik, dia smooth, dia soft je nampak. Tapi when you need it to show up, it will show up. Hari ni I will try this Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink, which is going viral. Everyone's going crazy for this lipstick, and I tell you, I can understand why lah. It's so pretty, it glides so smoothly. I'll show you, okay? I start with like my lower lips first. Okay, nampak tak how easy it is to apply? I didn't even have to wear a lip liner to like macam carve out my lips because the tip is already very precise for you to like macam carve out the shape of your lip. So no problem. Okay, there you have it, the full makeup look. I think this lipstick really ties it together. As you can see kan, dia vinyl, so maksudnya dia give you that vinyl glossy finishes, and it's there. Dia macam you apply another gloss on top, but you're actually not, because it actually lasts you up to 16 hours, which is good lah, sebab raya kan, pergi rumah ramai orang, makan tu, makan ni, but your lips will still on point. Still nampak that colour, that nice touch, that tint from this lipstick. So ni memang dibuat untuk orang Malaysia yang suka makan rendang for raya. That's very good. Alright guys, so here's the full look. I dah tukar dari turban raya look eye, and here's the full makeup. I'm really liking this look because it just enhances your beauty but also looking glam. So if you want to recreate this makeup look like from top until the end, check out our description box sebab we have linked all of the products that I guna hari ni in the description box. So after you tengok video ni, cepat-cepat klik all the links, add to cart, beli, nanti raya boleh terus guna. Okay? So if you like this video, make sure you comment down below and also share it to your friends, and don't forget to also follow our social media, and most importantly, stay tuned. Okay, stay tuned because in our upcoming episodes we have more makeup looks to share with you and more beauty tips to share. I'm really excited to share all of these things with you. But anyway, selamat Hari Raya guys. I hope you have a very happy Raya, a very glam Raya with your family and friends. Stay safe and take care. Until then, bye!